What's up YouTube, it's AZ392. I purchased this awesome spare tire mount for the TRX. I bought it for $100. It was a great Facebook Marketplace deal. I had to drive like 2 hours away to pick it up, but there was some stuff that wasn't included in the deal, so I actually kind of got bit in the ass a little bit, but I'm gonna show you what it is right now. Guys, so I picked up this spare tire mount for the TRX. It's gonna go in the back of the truck. When I bought this, I didn't check the price on like the bolts that were gonna go in these spots. And honestly, I thought it would be like pretty standard bolts, but they're metric and the dealership costs $50 for the bolts. But on top of the bolts being not with it, I also had to buy 3 brackets for it that were $300. And that's an even different story. I bought them from a different website for $200, so like $100 cheaper. And then I got an email saying that they were gonna take like another 2 weeks after I'd purchased already like the 2-day shipping for them. So I was like, forget about it, cancel the order. So I had to rebuy them through the dealership. So altogether, I'm in this thing for about like $600, but it's way better than having to pay like $1,100, $1,300 from the factory and getting it on. So hopefully that's gonna save me a little bit of money. But I typed in a YouTube video, and right now what I'm gonna go do is take the spare tire off from the bottom and put it. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I'm gonna do. So the spare tire is like right there, and instead of it being right there, I'm gonna put it up and drill it in to the bed right there. I know it probably might create some damage, but guys, so once you got that piece over here, you're gonna come over here, find this little latch. I'm gonna take a look at a little key to it. Oh shit. So after you got that out, just take it out, put it right there, put it to the side, and then you're gonna... Guys, so there's gonna be 3 pieces in there. You're gonna attach like that, and that's kind of what's gonna go into that spot to get the spare tire off. Guys, so once you put those pieces in, you can like find the other piece, connect it right there, and it's just gonna be like a drop to it, so it's gonna lower it down slowly. As you can tell, it's kind of already out of place a little bit because I've already lowered it. But after you do that, turn it left and then wait till it lowers, and I'll show you what next to do. This thing lowered now, and there's just gonna be that little piece in the middle. What you're gonna want to do is just drop it down a little bit more until you can like fish it out, and then pull it back up and then crank it up to where it's back up in there and not flopping around. Just stick a dolly right under it and then twist it. It'll save you so much back pain and everything. But then I'm just gonna crank this thing back up. When you guys order parts from your dealership, do they make like a big fuss or anything about it when you do, or is it like a super complicated process? Because right now, ordering the spare parts for this bed mount in the back has got to be like a 5-6 day process of just finding the bolts and then just like getting the right parts for them. Because guys, the people there are just not even working. It seems like it's not even like they're doing their job, and it's like I'm doing most of the work, finding the parts, finding what to do, and these people are putting me on like 30-40 minute wait times. It's just getting annoying. But I'll be at the dealership in like an hour to go check on the parts. So I just got back from the dealership picking up those parts, but they had... Oh shit. So guys, I'm gonna put the spare mount up and see how it looks right now. I got the parts in from the store. I'm gonna see how they look. I'm gonna open them up and we'll get to it. Gonna get into them. So what happened was I bought this from Facebook Marketplace, the spare tire mount, for a great deal, $300. And I didn't realize that it came with extra hardware that you needed. So I'm opening up that now, and this isn't even in it. So I had to pay guys, so for $300, this is all I got. So back from the dealership, $300 later, and this is how much it was, or this is what I got for $300. Plus I have to buy the bolts that go in this for another $50. And I wish I could just source it out and find it for cheaper, but if you look up on Google or anything, the nails and everything are metric, so they're really hard to find. But we're gonna load it up. I'm gonna just mount it up, see how it looks, and yeah, move some of the stuff, I'll put it up. But $300 for this, guys, comment if that's worth it. I know it's probably not worth it, but I'm only into this thing for half the price as it is brand new. So guys, so it's all on there. This is how it's gonna look when it's fully mounted on. Obviously, I'm pretty sure these go on the bottom of the truck, and like either mount, I would assume this way. So they're gonna mount like that, and then the bolts are gonna feed. The bolts are gonna feed down through it, so they're gonna put obviously a two-person job of this, and then they're gonna stick the bolts on through down. Gonna look pretty snazzy. Might be able to even do it myself with my dad, but we're gonna check that out. Wait till the bolts come, and I'm gonna get down. Oh yeah, I love that. And I know someone online actually makes like a riser for it, but damn. Guys, comment down below how that looks. I love it. And I've kind of used the bed for everything I need to already, so it's kind of pointless. And it's already a short bed. It's not like this is like comes with the extended bed, so it's not like you already get that from the factory. So